How to fix Facebook couldn't load results on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook couldn't load results on Android phone. It's easy, just open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps and then apps again. Now just go to Facebook and click this one here for stop and then go to storage, click clear cache, and here you will find this one here, permissions. Now just enable all of those here, storage and all of those enable, and then just go back and try again and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.